Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you dropship from Aliexpress to Woocommerce? Now, the concept of dropshipping is a little bit a complicated topic and it takes a while to actually grasp into, especially if you're a newbie. And just watch this all throughout. You could build websites using GoDaddy, and that's perhaps the most best advice that I could give you. And let's just go ahead. Like, for example, a lot of people have this misconception that you have to interlock basically platforms in order for you to dropship, and that's just not the case, because that's just going to, basically waste a bunch of effort and time, basically, because in dropshipping you don't really need to directly connect two platforms at the same time, because what you're doing is getting from a source, and that's what we're doing right now. Let's say, for example, this is my interlocking source right here. I highly recommend that you guys create a website or a base store like this one, a base website platform. You could do it again on GoDaddy. I created this one. I created my website on GoDaddy as well, and there's a lot of online stores out there, but I chose to settle with TikTok Shop. And let me tell you why. Because TikTok Shop has a lot of variables from which you could choose from in terms of drop shipping, and this is where AliExpress and WooCommerce comes in, because they're basically here. Both are here on this site right here. You don't have to go to extra steps in order for you to connect Woocommerce as a what do you call this one, the third-party platform, basically, or as a drop shipping method. Okay, so totally different things. A lot of people have this misconception that. So here we go. We have AliExpress, and these are the features. These are the platforms that are affiliated with AliExpress, and you could basically choose from these platforms right here that complements your niche. Now let's just go ahead to the other site here. Dropshipping is a very complicated topic, especially, it really takes time to grasp into. So here on Amazon, we are going to be using, you could sign in, or you could just basically choose not to, because this is our third party source right here. You could basically buy, what do you call this one, the retail or wholesale, by the way, I'm sorry. Yeah, you could basically buy wholesale and convert it to retail, basically, if you want to be a retail seller like myself. See, this is my account in AliExpress. So I've been using a lot of platforms, especially I haven't really delved into Amazon that much, but I will show you guys how to properly use it as a third party source right here. So this AliExpress basically has a lot of stuff. I simply use this because it's my country's currency. So my country's currency, and the Amazon is based off of dollars. So what I do is I buy stuff from Amazon. So this is how drop shipping work. Okay, I buy stuff from Amazon wholesale. I could then redistribute those products for, let's say, a couple of dollars, and you're going to be reselling those on your connector, or aka the preferred website that you basically choose. So I chose TikTok Shop in order for me to complement my drop shipping method from AliExpress. My AliExpress and TikTok Shop are connected, so that I could be easily using Amazon as a third-party source, so I could get some products there. I could also get some products here on AliExpress, although the currency, if you're new on the e-commerce community, I highly suggest that you should try Printify, because especially if you are a product manufacturer, you could basically create a bunch of products here off of your own brand, like t-shirts, to spare you from licenses. I've actually tried this before, and especially if you're a product manufacturer. See, in this platform right here, you could absolutely create your own design. And let's see here. Yeah, shirts is basically one of my niches, guys. So whatever it is that you like, it's all here on Printify also. And especially if you're a manufacturer like myself, and just create your own brand. Basically, this one's unisex right here. You could just start designing, and that's just basically it. You could create your own free stuff here. Again, that is the concept basically of drop shipping itself. Let's see the sizes here. So you could use Printify as a design if you want to use basically if you want to use your own product on drop shipping. You could basically just use Printify, because it's very easy to basically create your own niche off of these platforms. And that's just basically it. You don't really need to do anything. The main component is Amazon and Aliexpress. So the product that I'd be creating here, I could then transfer it to my Aliexpress if I'm a manufacturer, if that makes sense. But if I'm a reseller, that's where Amazon comes in, where I go to Amazon and get products there and try to resell it to my linker, the connector here, aka the TikTok shop, or whatever website it is you're trying to use, whatever website or whatever seller platform it is you try to use. But I highly recommend that you use TikTok shop for this one. See, this is what basically drop shipping is all about. You got to have a lot of platforms that complement each other in order for you to build up a brand or basically resell. Okay, so I highly recommend checking one of our videos here about the methods of interconnecting basically platforms and linking them, so you wouldn't have to basically be on par or basically get lost on trying to interconnect. So that's it for the basics of the drop shipping methods here. So I hope I've explained just enough for you guys to understand. Thank you so much for watching.